Hi everyone, it's Professor Feig. I apologize about the quality of the video. I'm still trying to figure stuff out, and I will get it down by next week. And I apologize about the background, but hell, I'm not cleaning my house. Also looking a little tired, but I just wanted to say, hey, I'm still working on all the details going forward, and I will let you guys know. I sent you all an email yesterday asking to fill out a survey, which will give me a better sense of how to teach the class through the end of the semester. My first intent was to have live classes at the same time as regular class, but I'm rethinking that because that just may not work out well for everyone. If you could fill out the survey, that would help me a lot. It would give me a sense of what everyone prefers, and then I can make adjustments. At the very least, expect live lectures from me that are videotaped or verbally taped. That you can watch or listen to, and we will figure this out. The good news right now is the course is fully accessible. I had already put everything up online, so it's basically there. The only thing that you can do now is ignore due dates. Everything's due May 5th. And I've also taken away a couple of things that would have been in-class activities. So everything that's up is what you have to do. I'm going to be really flexible with grades too. If it was up to me, it would be pass-fail, but not up to me. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, take care of those you love, especially elderly family members. I'm here if you need me. I am really here because I'm not going anywhere. And I'm sending you all love and a virtual hug. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.